Minsan, kahit isang sulyap lang mula sa taong mahal mo, sapat na para magkaroon ka ulit ng lakas tumuloy. Isang sulyap lang, tapos bigla mapapangiti ka kasi alam mo nandyan lang siya sa iyong tabi. Have you ever reached a point in your life when you were so tired, so broken, that you did not need advice anymore? You just needed someone to look at you and stay. Naranasan mo na bang mapagod sa buhay na ang hinihiling mo na lang ay may tumingin sa'yo at may sabing, okay lang yan, andito lang ako. Minsan, ganun ang buhay. Hindi natin kailangan ng mahabang paliwanag kung bakit nangyari ang lahat. Hindi natin kailangan ng solusyon agad. Minsan, sapat na ang isang sulyap, isang tingin mula sa taong mahal natin para magkaroon ulit tayo ng lakas na tumayo at magpatuloy. This is the very heart of our devotion to the mahal na Poong Jesus Nazareno, especially in the moving moment we call the Dungaw. Sa gitna ng mahabang prosesyon, sa ilalim ng matinding init, sa bigat ng krus na pasan ng Nazareno, may isang maikli ngunit napakalalim na tagpo, ang dungaw. Ang sandaling pagtatagpo ng tingin ng anak at ng ina. Walang salita, walang milagro, walang palakpakan. Yet it is one of the most powerful moments in the entire devotion. Why? Because it reflects a deeply human experience. When life becomes too heavy, we instinctively look for someone we love. We look for someone who knows our pain, even without words. We look for someone whose presence alone gives us strength. In the Dungaw, we see Jesus exhausted, wounded, carrying the cross, finding comfort in his mother. And in that brief exchange of glances, there is reassurance, there is strength, and there is love. But the Dungaw does not end there, because we are also part of that scene. In our own suffering, tayo rin ay dumudungaw. Kapag pagod na tayo sa buhay, kapag parang hindi na natin kaya ang bigat ng krus, we look for something or someone to hold on to. And ultimately, tayo ay dumudungaw kay Jesus Nazareno. Sa Kanya tayo humuhugot ng lakas. Sa Kanya tayo tumitingin kapag wala na tayong mahingan ng tulong. Sa Kanya tayo kumakapit kapag tila walang nakakaintindi sa ating pinagdaraanan. This is why today's reading speaks so clearly to our devotion. In the first reading, the Israelites were dying after being beaten by serpents. God commanded Moses to raise a bronze serpent, and those who look at it were healed. Hindi sila gumaling dahil sa ahas na tanso. Gumaling sila dahil tumitingin sila, because they trusted God enough to lift their eyes. Healing came not from running away, but from looking up. In the same way, when life bites us with pain, disappointment, and suffering, our healing begins when we choose to look to Jesus. Jesus himself explains this in John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave us his only Son. Jesus Nazareno is the assurance that we are loved by God. He is the concrete, visible proof of God's love walking with us in suffering. Siya ang sulyap ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa ating buhay. When we look at Nazareno, we do not see a distant God. We see a God who carries a cross. a God who stumbles, a God who understands pain. And every time we look at Him, we hear God saying, "Mahal kita, hindi ka nag-isa, kaya mo pang magpatuloy." That is why millions of devotees continue to walk barefoot, to reach out, to look at the Nazareno, because in Him, they find strength to carry their own crosses. The cross of poverty, the cross of illness, the cross of broken relationships, and the cross of unanswered prayers. So today, as we celebrate the feast of the Mahal na Poong Jesus Nazareno, let us remember, when life becomes too heavy, when words are no longer enough, dumungaw tayo kay Jesus. Look at Him, hold on to Him, and draw strength from Him. Because sometimes, all it takes is one loving glance, and suddenly, we find the courage to keep walking, to keep loving, and to keep carrying our cross with hope. Maligayang kapistahan po para sa ating mga dumudungaw sa mahal na Jesus na Nazareno.
Nuestro Padre Jesús Nazareno, inara